when you think of the Justice League of America, think about Batman, Superman, Flash, Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, Hawkman, maybe Snapper Car, the Atom, um, maybe Elongated Man. If we're digging a little bit deep here. Who else? Green Arrow, Cyborg. Now we're getting a little bit more recent here, but you probably don't really think about Zauriel, and you probably don't think about Zauriel at all because you probably don't even know who he is. And I admit, I don't know who Zauriel is either. Apparently, he's a guardian angel and heaven's eagle host for a million years. He renounced his immortality after falling in love with a mortal woman. Blah blah blah, and he's a valuable member of the Justice League of America. So I learned something new today. This was made in 1999. This is 18 years old. This is the JLA line from Hasbro, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And I got this, well, one, I got it because it's cheap. I got it because I haven't opened any JLA figures yet, and I always like to have some variety. But he's pretty cool looking. I don't know anything about Zauriel. I might look him up on Wikipedia or Comicpedia or, I don't know, DC Comics website. But I thought he was a cool looking figure. You know, I could have got or Aquaman. I forgot to mention Aquaman. I could have got Aquaman. I could have got Green Lantern. I could have got Martian Manhunter, Flash, Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman. You know, any number of people like that. But I got Zauriel because he is going to make a good addition to my Justice League of America action figure team. And because he's weird and he's different. And I think he's cool looking. He's unique. And so they have these stands here. You see, just kind of popped out. And you're supposed to cut that out and then, like, set it in there. I might do that later if I get bored. I'm feeling crafty. It's got a pretty cool sword. There he is. Oh, his wings move. That's good. Is that dust? Oh, yeah, look at that. He's, like, dusty. You see that? Yeah, isn't that gross? Get some Q-tips out and clean them. Yeah, if I saw this somewhere, I would have no idea what it is, who it is, what toy line it belongs to. So, but I like him. I mean, he's cool looking. He needs to go fight Satan or something. That's who he needs to fight. If you watched a previous episode, I opened a Lady Devil, so maybe he can fight Lady Devil. And I don't know, go back to heaven. I'm not really sure what his backstory is, but yeah, he's pretty cool. I think he's gonna look cool with that stand next to some of the other superhero figures I own. I definitely have to clean him off here. Doesn't have a whole lot of articulation. His wings are articulated though. I don't know if his arms are discolored. They look a little yellow. His face too. I don't know if he's supposed to be pure white all over or not. I don't know. I don't know anything about him, but again, a cool figure. Definitely obscure, but definitely interesting looking guy. Maybe he fights Hawkman. Maybe they team up. I think him and Hawkwoman and Hawkman, they would team up. They would fight Satan and Baphomet and different demonic type people. So, anywho, thanks for watching. This was the JLA 1999 Zauriel figure. I hope I'm saying that right. And as always, open your toys, play with them, display them. And in this case, the mightiest heroes in the universe join forces to combat the world's most diabolical villains. So he's going to go battle some diabolical villains.